बादशाह के साथ ये अलग ही वाइब है, वुडंट यू एग्री?
एकदम एकदम एंड मुझे तो बहुत मजा आता है जो भी गाना करती हूँ मैं बादशाह के साथ। एंड ऑफ कोर्स इस फिल्म में तो डबल धमाका हो गया, लाइक मेरा रोचक सोनू जी के साथ जो गाना है एंड द वन विद बादशाह, ऑफ कोर्स दोनों सारे गाने ट्रेंड कर रहे हैं।
करेक्ट। टेल मी अ सॉन्ग दैट आफ्टर यू हर्ड इट इन योर ओन वॉइस आप खुद सरप्राइज थी कि
आओ कभी हवेली पे वाज डेफिनेटली वन सच सॉन्ग।
या
उस टाइम इतना अजीब लग रहा था मुझे रिकॉर्ड करते हुए, बहुत ऊंचा भी है गाना, तो मैं गा के आई एम लुकिंग लिटरली आई वाज सिंगिंग एंड आई वाज लाइक आर यू श्योर दिस इज फाइन जिगर? ही या साउंड्स ग्रेट एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक मेरे को तो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है।
आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज सिंग अस द इश्क विश्क ट्रैक।
ओह
हो
क्या
जाए
इश्क बस ये साथ में
हाँ।
ऐसे सोलो में मजा नहीं
तो
आता
क्या
है।
मैं गाऊं साथ में?
हाँ
क्या मैं भाई मेरा लास्ट इंटरव्यू हो
One.
जाएगा।
नहीं नहीं ऐसा नहीं, 1 2 सब गाएंगे। इश्क विश्क प्यार प्यार, इश्क विश्क प्यार प्यार, I believe in love love, I believe in प्यार।
Okay, what's the next song you would like to sing for us?
तूने मेरी जान अभी देखा ना करिश्मा, देखा ना करिश्मा, गोरे गोरे मुखरे पे काला काला चश्मा, मा मा मा। Did you see my video with my parents?
Yes, cutest.
Now I cannot unsee that. Every time I'm doing Ma, I'm thinking of my mom just being like. Hey guys, this is Nikita Gandhi and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
Hi guys, welcome to Bollywood Hangama. My name is Urmin. आज की हमारी जो आर्टिस्ट है, I'd like to say that composers love to experiment with her voice. प्रीतम दा की अगर बात करें तो अफलातून ये गाना याद आता है. अमित त्रिवेदी की बात करें तो ध्यानचंद एंड काफिराना. And the list can go on and on. Please welcome the versatile Nikita Gandhi.
Yeah, what's up?
कैसी हैं आप?
बस अब तो और भी
चार्ज्ड
हो गई मैं एकदम चार्ज हो गई मैं.
too much of this.
No man, but for real, every time I see you, I'm like, as
Yeah.
like from a normal list, like, oh man!
Fab.
I remember the sneakers I took from you. Every time I see you.
हाँ, तो I should have just started my introduction by saying that
Sneaker चोर
निकिता गांधी हमारे साथ है. But it's so good to see you because we're here for इश्क विश्क rebound. और भाई बादशाह के साथ ऐसा
magic. You're for me.
Always यार, always. But tell me all about this beautiful song. बादशाह के साथ ये अलग ही vibe है. Wouldn't you agree?
एकदम एंड मुझे तो बहुत मजा आता है जो भी गाना करती हूँ मैं बादशाह के साथ. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इस फिल्म में तो डबल धमाका हो गया, लाइक मेरा रोचक सोनू जी के साथ जो गाना है एंड द वन विद बादशाह, ऑफ कोर्स दोनों सारे गाने ट्रेंड कर रहे हैं.
Correct. I think that you know every time in the beginning when you had started, and by the way it's 7 years to Rapta.
7 years, yeah.
So you had a point where people would call you the Rapta girl. फिर वो काफिराना गर्ल बनी, है ना? फिर बाद में एक पॉइंट आया जुगनू गर्ल, तो मतलब was at its peak. तो tell us that ये जो गाना है and this is a cult a 90s track. So do you remember listening to the track, the original song?
Like when I went to dub Ishq Vishk also and you know Rochak played the track, I was like ये गाना कर रहे हैं हम, because ये तो इश्क and you have to sing it with the इश्क like वो ऐसे दिमाग में drilled है पूरा. So like it was so cool that that happened. And Gore Gore also such an iconic song. बादशाह ने मुझे बोला कि एक ही लाइन है, sorry like एक लाइन है, तो are you okay singing it? I was like I don't care if you make me sing also in this song, I'll sing it. Because it's Gore Gore.
And isn't Rochak Kohli like just a magician? I think he just creates some other melody. It's so fresh, it's so different, and yet he just keeps the essence. So is gaane mein, I'm sure that you know that was your idea also, to keep the essence of the original.
Right. Yeah, I think I didn't really think too much about that, because whenever there's a new line, like I think I've become the girl, not the remake girl, but the new line girl. Like Rabta also, my first song, all the new lines were mine, and of course the chorus. लेकिन तब हो जाता है, actually उल्टा हो जाता है. I feel it's like you have to give your flavor.
Yeah.
Because then only कुछ नया हो रहा है ना गाने के साथ. वो तो है ही, मतलब of course सोनू जी ने जो गाया, like वो है ही, वो iconic है ही, but उसमें क्या नया ingredient डाल सकते हो basically.
तो
So-
when you are actually in the recording studio, अब आप हो वहाँ पर, what is the plan that's going on in your mind? What do you tell yourself before you do 3, 2, 1, Nikita starts?
I don't think I think.
हाँ.
I think it's just like execute. Or uh, for me, I think that the most exciting moment is the discovery. Like when you enter the studio and you hear what you're about to sing, and if it's a known song, वो moment होता है, "Oh, ये हो रहा है अभी." And then वो खुद के साथ रखना इतने सारे दिन, that
Yeah.
is for me the most difficult part. क्योंकि शुरू में मैं मम्मी पापा को बोलती हूँ, अभी मम्मी पापा को बोलना भी
बंद
बंद
कर
कर
दिया.
दिया. क्योंकि कभी कभार होता है नहीं होता है,
Yeah.
चेंज हो जाता है फॉर्मेट, गाना ही नहीं निकलता है, then you're like अरे यार. तो now I just wait for the tags to start to know
Yeah.
that the song is releasing. तो but वो जो moment of discovery to moment of release, वो journey जो अपने साथ, जैसे I remember not just with my songs, any
Yeah.
good song, any song need not be a remake also. जैसे मुझे याद है ओ बेदर्दिया was being recorded in the studio. मैं कुछ और गाने के लिए गई थी, I think for लेके प्रभु का नाम, कुछ उसके
Okay.
आसपास कुछ चल रहा था.
हम्म.
And then I heard ओ बेदर्दिया in the studio. तो मेरा कुछ लेना देना ही नहीं उस गाने से, बट मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा गाना, एंड इट वाज स्टक इन माय हेड. क्योंकि कोई स्टूडियो पे उस गाने पे लिटरली वन डोर ओपन एंड आई हर्ड द सॉन्ग
हाँ.
फॉर लाइक some 10-15 seconds and the door shut
Yeah.
in some other studio room, and वो दिमाग में चल रहा है. अभी मैं उसके बाद चंडीगढ़ गए, चंडीगढ़ में ओ बेद ओ शिट ऐसे गा रही हूँ मैं, और फिर लाइक खुद को कंट्रोल कर रही हूँ और सोच भी रही हूँ कि कोई सुन ना ले, अभी गाना रिलीज नहीं हुआ है, और फिर ये भी सोच रही हूँ कि किसी को पता कैसे चलेगा कि मैंने कुछ नया गाना सुना है.
Correct.
तो इतने सारे थॉट्स होते हैं when you are working on something unreleased,
Yeah.
or you're part of unreleased music. That is really exciting.
You know, you are one of the most popular new age singers. एक जमाना था जब singers could actually hear the song, take it with them home,
Right.
practice, rehearse, and then come back, and फिर sitting बकायदा होती थी. Do you think that ये जो phase है, where you know you can just go into the studio, record a song right there and then, is better, or would you have liked going back to the era?
There's definitely something exciting about like just that instant
Yeah.
thing, because when it comes to writing music also, I genuinely believe the first thought is very important. Like I never, like if I'm working on a beat or somebody send me some song, I don't listen to it पहले से.
अच्छा.
I like बहुत बार होता है मैं घर से recording भेज रही हूँ, तब तो मैं जितना practice करके कर सकती हूँ
सही
गाना.
है.
So what I like to do though is I'll make the session ready, I switch on my mic, everything, and I listen to it with the mic in front of me. Especially if I'm writing something, because that first instinct जो है, to me that's very important.
Yeah.
So I think वो चीज करने को मिलता है when you are not living with the song. But of course it depends on the song.
Yeah.
Sometimes the song is very difficult, you need to practice it because it's like the melody is you know slightly more mature, तो तब अच्छा है थोड़ा internalize
like
करके.
Aflatun, you know, every time I think about this song, that's a very complicated composition. I mean, there's a lot that's happening. Plus, आपकी आवाज इतनी, there's just a lot of soothness in it. And I'm saying this because Jaga Jasoos actually has one of the most popular songs that you have sung. But
Yeah.
Aflatun still has like one
Yeah.
प्यारा दिल यार, बहुत ही
Correct.
खूबसूरत
मेरे
है and
लिए
all
भी है.
that. है ना?
Yeah.
Won't you agree?
Of course, like it's it was, while singing it only, it was so close to my heart.
Yeah.
Like I was like, this is so cute. And जैसे picturize you as like the introduction of the character Jaka, तो मुझे तो it's one of like a very
Favorites,
special
yeah.
song for me.
I remember you sang it for me, and that's
Yeah.
how I got to know about the song,
About
because
it, yeah.
I must have क्योंकि जगा जासूस एक म्यूजिकल है, of course मैंने उसे देखा था, लेकिन in the back of my head कि ठीक है गाना अच्छा है, but man, when you sang it, it was beautiful. I would request you to please sing us the Ishq Vishk track.
Oh.
हो
क्या है?
जाए.
इश्क बस ये साथ में
हाँ.
गए, सोलो में मजा नहीं
तो
आता
क्या
है.
मैं गाऊं साथ में?
हाँ.
क्या मैं भाई मेरे लास्ट इंटरव्यू हो
What?
जाएगा.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं. 1 2 सब गाएंगे. इश्क विश्क प्यार प्यार, इश्क विश्क प्यार प्यार. I believe in love love, I believe in प्यार.
Ooh, So that's what you're talking about. The tadka that you would like
खुद
to
का
give.
तड़का। मेरे लिए तो सबसे I was like इसका जो because ये सोनू जी का OG ट्रैक है
Yeah.
ना, तो वो जो जिंदगी में होता है इतना ऊंचा था, तो मेरे लिए like I think for me it was like focus on your own
Yeah.
तड़का भाई ठीक
Now
से गा लो।
the second song is like from a 1994 film. सुहाग का गाना है ये. Did you know that?
No, I didn't know that.
You didn't know this? 1994 में आया था
I
गाना
mean I
ये.
know the song of course,
हाँ.
I didn't know कौन से फिल्म से था।
Oof. So, but do you remember when did you hear this track for the first time?
गोरे
गोरे
गोरे।
गोरे.
But I don't remember when, but बचपन में ही ऐसे randomly रेडियो में या
हाँ,
कहीं पे
हाँ,
तो
हाँ.
सुना होगा कैसेट वसेट में। But of course like गाना तो मुझे पता ही है, but I didn't know it was like wow.
Yeah, that old.
It's like my age practically.
94 born.
No, not proud. I'm 91.
I don't know what to do now. Thank God you don't call me Urmin ji. That's it.
People call me madam,
हाँ.
निकिता जी।
निकिता जी.
मैडम बोल तो मुझे बहुत अजीब लगता है। मैंने कहा सर हमको मैडम मत बोलो भाई।
But जैसे आपने कहा that sometimes there might just be a very different lyrics to the original track. जैसे last year there was also High Hook. My God, I loved that track. I loved the way the track was created. बहुत प्यारा था, and you had a great antara to it.
Yeah.
So what
You-
is
हाँ, okay.
सब बोलो
You want to know a fun fact about that
Please.
song? So there's this line, डैड को पता लगा तो लग जानी वाट, एंजाइटी हो रही राजा थामा मेरा हाथ. So my dad did the cutest thing. He's made his ringtone Hi Hoku from that part. So every time someone calls him, डैड को पता लगा तो लग, यहाँ से शुरू होता है गाना. और मुझे इतना जब भी अब भी मैं कलकत्ता गई ना, ये फ्रेश हो गया मेरे मेमोरी में. Anyone is calling my dad, suddenly I can hear his phone. डैड को पता लगा. So it's the cutest thing ever that he's
I love it. I love it. And the way you say anxiety in it is just brilliant. I messaged you also about it. I was saying that there's something about you saying anxiety to it. चलो चलो 2 लाइनें हो जाए इसकी भी.
रस्ते न छोड़. Wait, let me stop laughing. I was because literally
When
अभी
that
मैंने
line comes, I'll just pick up the phone.
हाँ no, because अभी मैंने लास्ट शो कलकत्ता में किया तो मेरे मम्मी पापा ऑडियंस में थे. So I was literally like रस्ते न छोड़ो आधी हो गई है रात, माँ ने सुना था मुझे इसी बात पे, डैड को पता लगा तो लग जाए. ऐसे कर रही थी मैं परफॉर्म. It was hilarious. And the rest of the time I was making sure they like my shots were not too high because मम्मी पापा थे ना ऑडियंस.
तो anxiety हो रही थी.
एंजाइटी तो हो ही रही थी. थाम मेरा हाथ.
Too cool, yeah, too cool. Nikita, how important is it for you to always keep a balance between film music and independent?
For me, the process of keep doing independent music is like really important because like I think it's the growth
Yeah.
of the artist in me that keeps happening with
Do you get that
non-film.
kind of time to balance?
Yeah, I
between
make
the
that time. And also film, I think the singer's role is limited. Like you're not like singing all the time, right? You're just doing your recordings and then you're
Yeah.
leaving, and then it's in the composer's hands. So तो देन ऑब्वियसली जब वो रिकॉर्डिंग्स हो रहे तो वो हो रहे, बट उसके बीच में जो भी टाइम है वो मेरे हाथ में है. आई मेक श्योर दैट आई स्पेंड दैट ऑन writing music. I might not even like what I'm writing, but it's important to give that exercise to your brain, to your thoughts. And yeah, so I keep working on non-film music.
In the start of my interview, मैंने कहा था कि that there are composers who love experimenting. Sachin Jigar with Aao Kabhi Haveli, and then there are so many composers. आपने शुरुआत की थी with Rabta, and then there was Kafirana, which had like this soothing melody to it. But you've gone ahead and been like a party hit person. Have you seen that change? Do you kind of get approached for a particular kind of genre, or is it all kinds?
The amazing thing is, in the beginning, I thought I was becoming like this party singer because I have a Western voice, so everyone was like party song. But the weird thing is, people, I think the composer, like you very rightly said, I think 90% of the time composers want to try something new with me.
Yeah.
Which is so refreshing and so exciting for me.
Correct.
Because then I'm actually never boxed into a category. Like whenever I work with Preetham Dhan, so I keep singing on his upcoming projects and keep singing on different tracks. And I'm doing all of it. Like, whether it's a slow song, it's a folkish song. I just did a Tamil folk song
Oh, nice.
with Harris sir. And he was also like, I want to I want to do like, you know, we're going to do a folk song today. The fact that he thought of me is so cool. Like, because, you know, it's so easy to be like, ye party singer hai, isko party song hai. But I love that composers are like, everyone wants to do something fresh.
Yeah.
And I love that they think of me. And I love that I get to, like, I did a ghazal project with Z, with Shami Tandon sir, and, you know, so like different people wanna. It's like, I feel sometimes like I'm Play-Doh.
Yeah.
I love the fact that people, like, musicians think of me as plasticine or as Play-Doh, you know, because that makes it exciting for me to keep molding into different genres.
Tell me a song that after you heard it in your own voice, आप खुद surprised थी कि that-
How Kabhi Haveri Pe was definitely one such song.
Yeah.
When I was recording it, I was like, kya? Like, in my head, I was like, what is he making me sing? It feels so weird to sing this. That कहते आए हम, all that stuff. Like, I wasn't used to it at all. Like, I was like full on Western, you know, like R&B singer. Rapta itself was out of my comfort zone. Even now when I hear it, I can hear that weird accent that I have in the song, which works, but like, you know what I mean. Then I'm singing that "Aaj raat ka dress code hai" and all that, and then I'm like, मुझे उस time में, अभी तो मैं इतना, you know, casually गा रही हूँ, उस time इतना अजीब लग रहा था मुझे record करते हुए, बहुत ऊंचा भी है गाना, तो मैं गा के I'm looking, literally I was singing and I was like, are you sure this is fine, Jigar? He's like, yeah, it sounds great, and I'm just like, मेरे को तो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, मुझे तो बहुत अजीब लग रहा है, but जब गाना निकला मैंने कहा, wow, like this actually sounds damn cool, and I never saw it coming, and I think that's what vision is, right?
Correct.
I owe it to Sachin Jigar to have that vision.
अच्छा, इसके opposite, tell me a song that when you recorded, you owned it, like it was just meant for you.
Ullu Ka Patta.
Ullu Ka Patta.
Yeah, I think my brief from Dada was just be Nikita. He was like, just do whatever comes to you naturally. I want, this is like your song. Like, I want Nikita. I don't want a version of you, basically. So, and he kept it like that. Like, I did that whole ये तो मैंने ऐसे randomly गाते हुए किया, like एक take में, and he kept that because he wanted me. So I think that was my do your thing song.
I love it. I love it. Okay, what's the next song you would like to sing for us?
Oh, whatever you want me to sing.
Let's do गोरे गोरे मुखड़े पे.
Okay, ये थोड़ा shades with लाना चाहिए था आज.
बारिश का मौसम है मैडम, तो अगर शेड्स पहनेंगे तो थोड़ा सा
कोई लाइट तो है ना, शेड्स तो पहन ही सकते हैं.
ठीक है, तो हम फिल्टर लगा लेंगे, चलेगा?
ठीक है. वो मैंने अपने डैड के साथ वही किया,
वो
फोन पे.
ना टन टन टन.
ओनो मैंने दिखाती हूँ. अच्छा, मेरा फोन वहाँ पे.
कोई बात नहीं,
बाद में कर लेंगे.
जी, कोई बात नहीं.
अभी क्या करना है?
हाँ, अभी मैडम आपको गाना गाना है. Sometimes you forget that I'm interviewing
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
You know, that's the thing.
That is the thing. तूने मेरी जान अभी. I'm like, let me segue with singing. चलो साथ पे, ये भी साथ पे.
अगली बार ना हम खाने पे मिलेंगे और कैमरास को रख देंगे कहीं, तो लेकिन आप करते रहना है ना? जो भी मिले फुटेज वो यूज कर लेंगे. हाँ,
सुसी खाएंगे हम. हाँ. मैं कैसे? तूने मेरी जान अभी देखा ना करिश्मा, देखा ना करिश्मा, गोरे गोरे मुखरे पे काला काला चश्मा. Did you see my video with my parents?
Yes, cutest.
Now I cannot unsee that. Every time I'm doing Ma, I'm thinking of my mom just being like. Hey guys, this is Nikita Gandhi and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.